Bourbon and Guns, back with another matchup here. Two premier, bourbons in this matchup. Jack Daniel's Heritage, the Toasted Barrel, up for Bourbon of the Year, Whiskey of the Year. And Knob Creek 12, a lot of my viewers' favorite special occasion bourbon. So let's put these head to head. Similar proof, right? They're both 100 proof. Price is about the same to both, about 69 bucks. So I think this is a pretty good matchup. That's why I chose these two, okay? So let's try them out here. Number one. That's just very pleasant. Some of those, sweeter notes. Caramel. Brown sugar. Cheers. Oh my. That's some very toasted notes coming through. Very pleasant, light finish. Not a lot of rye. That is very nice. Very pleasant. Number two. Well, that is beautiful color, isn't it? Get a little oakier notes in this one. Definitely some more rye spice in that one. Sweet brown sugar caramel. It is wonderful. It's got just a little bit more notes to it. Let's go through them again. Number one. And by the way, they're both wonderful. Very exquisite. Very high-end bourbons to me, okay? That number one is wonderful. Number two. They're both wonderful, but I'm going to give it to number two. Number two has a little bit more spicy, a little bit more flavor bursts and notes. So let's see what it is. That would be the Jack Daniel's Heritage, the Toasted Barrel. It just had these beautiful notes. Bourbon tastes like a warm summer day.